On the Iconic Dot-Connect, the news show this week, what's going on with the FBI and January the 6th? Why are the FBI hiding footage about what they claim was a pipe bomber who put a pipe bomb, they say, outside the Democratic Party headquarters in Washington, D.C.? Why won't they show us what they obviously have so we can see what happened? And another thing, why are the FBI not charging a guy called Ray Epps, who is caught on film urging people the night before and on the day to go into the Capitol building, when they have charged and jailed people for doing nothing more than just walking around the building, doing no harm at all? It couldn't be, could it, that the FBI and its masters don't want us to know the truth? Surely not. That's the Iconic Dot-Connect, the news show, every Saturday from 10 a.m. UK. And you can have a 7-day free trial with Ickonic anytime you want.